Hello kids, welcome my channel. This is colors: red color, pink color, green color, brown color, light green color, yellow color, orange color. This is black marker. Which color? Black color. Let's draw 2D shapes. I am drawing plus. This is plus. Parallelogram. Crescent. Star. Circle. Rhombus. Let's coloring 2D shapes. This is orange color coloring plus. Yellow color coloring parallelogram. Light green color coloring crescent. Red color coloring star. Pink color coloring circle. Brown color coloring rhombus. Like and subscribe my channel.